Hi everyone! So today we are going to compare keycaps at different price points. So yeah, just like that show on BuzzFeed called Worth It. When I got into this hobby, it was a bit overwhelming as there was a wide range of keycaps available, lots of designs, and of course, all different price points. So for today, we're comparing keycaps that are mostly readily available in the market, either through online platforms like Amazon, Shopee, Lazada, or whatever is most accessible to you. And of course, the aftermarket. Yeah, the objective today is just to see how these differ in sound and feel. I'm not going to go too technical, like measuring the exact thickness and such. To be honest, all I really care about right now is how it feels and how it sounds when I type. For the budget price, keycaps, we're looking at HK Gaming at $50 or roughly 2,000 pesos. Yeah, these are clones, but they are widely available and considered entry level. Moving to the mid-range, we're looking at ePBT yoke. These are nearing $70. So local currency, if you'd convert it, that's about 3,500 to 4,000 pesos. Yeah, they just come in this plain brown box. And of course, for the pricey range, we're looking at the GMK Laser Synthwave. On drop, it's about $125 for a brand new set. So this is about 6,500 to 7,000 pesos without shipping. Alright, so looking closely at each keycap, so HA Gaming accordingly is PBT, so it has a smooth finish, a bit thin as you can see. For the yoke is ABS double shot, so it's really relatively thicker. Of course, GMK is made of thick double shot as well. The colors really pop as you can see. So for all my keycaps, the printing were pretty consistent and I didn't really have any smudgy keys, unlike what I've seen elsewhere. So I'm just sharing how these sound on the KBD67 Lite with C3 Tangerine switches. So forgive me, the ePBT video got corrupted, so we'll just listen to it. So yeah, here goes. Okay, so were there any noticeable sound differences? For me, not huge. The main difference were really how they felt, the quality versus how it sounded. So ePBT sounds a bit deeper, sometimes a bit quieter versus the other two. Aesthetic wise, I love how the thick ePBT keycaps are, and the quality of the colors of the GMK set is amazing. So I guess, more expensive doesn't always mean better. It really depends on what you're looking for and the budget that you're working with. So if you're new into the hobby, just go with the entry-level ones. It's cheap, lots of designs to choose from, but a bit flimsy. ePBT, if you're looking for something with better quality and not really picky with the designs, they don't really have much options when it comes to the design. And if budget is not a huge problem, you're into the looks of your keyboard, you have different themes, so go ahead and splurge on a GMK set. But yeah, that's it for today. Let me know what you think. If you have experiences as well with your different keycaps, just let me know. Thank you so much. Bye!